Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yev and today I've got something special on my desk, and this is LEOBOG Hi75, a sleek CNC aluminum keyboard, and this keyboard promises both style and substance, and all of this without breaking the bank. So let's not wait any longer and dive right into unboxing.
I heard you got a new place.
As we open this neatly packed box, we are greeted with a friendly greeting card from LEOBOG. The Hi75 keyboard is snugly protected with a bilingual manual, some neat indicator stickers, and USB-A to USB-C cable. And here is the star of the show, the Hi75, sporting a chic powdered coated, rough textured finish, and it feels really premium. At around 1.2 kg or 2.71 lbs, it has a reassuring weight to it. Looking at the Hi75, you will notice its 75% exploded layout, optimized for both functionality and aesthetics. The top left houses a magnetic metal plug with a LEOBOG mascot, a nice touch that you can remove if it's not in your style, you know. And check out this sleek knob on the top right, bearing the iconic neon logo. RGB enthusiasts will appreciate the bright and saturated lighting effects. All of them are pre-programmed and ready to dazzle, and if you all about typing comfort, I think this 7% degree of typing angle, and absence of any branding on a front or back keep things minimalistic and focus it on your typing experience. Let's talk about the key players, the keycaps and switches. The Hi75 in my case comes with the MDA profile keycaps. They are double shot PBT, the legends are sharp and clear, and the overall look, it's absolutely amazing. It's my preferable profile and type of keycaps. And beneath these caps lies the heart of the Hi75, the LEOBOG Nimbus linear switch version 3. They are factory looped with the activation point at around 34 gram. They promises a seamless typing and gaming experience, and I can believe into it. Plus they look very interesting with these red and white colors. Okay, structure wise, the Hi75 doesn't skim on quality, it's for sure, just check this out. The disassembly reveals a thoughtful design, tightly fitted knob, a top case secured with precision, and this PCB supports 3 or 5 pin switches, so your customization needs are open. And obviously the hot swappable and south facing layout. The polycarbonate plate with a flex cuts and addition foam around space bars. So you see it's a lot of attention to details from LEOBOG. Good job. Let's have a listen, shall we? As you can hear, the typing experience is not just about the feel, it's about the sound too. And these factory loop stabilizers ensure that each keystroke is a really symphony in itself. I really enjoy the typing, it's just amazing. And now the visual treat, the RGB test. Whether you are coding in a wee hours or gaming in a dimly lit room, these Hi75 RGB lightings ensure your setup is always lit, and it's quite literally. So, in our day, customization is a standard feature of each mechanical keyboard, and this Hi75 set software will not disappoint you. Yes, it's nothing special, but you can do everything. You can tweak the sleep and the bones and settings and create your macros. This software will support all these needs. And even for those who love a bit of written, the audio reactive RGB settings will sync with your favorite tunes if you like this. So guys, wrapping it up, the LEOBOG Hi75 is just amazing from start to finish. Now I hope you understand why I can't improve it. It's just because it's a perfect from the box. And this is your choice if you want something fully CNC aluminum, wired and ready to go. This keyboard was sent to me by LEOBOG brands, and I really thank them for the opportunity to review such perfect keyboard and check the budget. With this budget, it's a really gift. If you want to learn more about other LEOBOG keyboards, please check this video on my channel with another review of one of their keyboards. Thank you for being with me today. See you next time. Bye bye.